Hello. So you have open up Maya and I'm in the bottom view. Click, press spacebar, view, image, import image. Go to your computer, storage, Spring, 3D design, assets. So I will just import this image. I can make it bigger or just zoom in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use create polygon. Create and click. And in case you see that you see this surface, you can just go to wireframe mode. So the easiest way, suppose you're doing a bird or a peacock or a fish. This is the easiest way to draw I'm using the middle mouse button on a PC mouse. I really don't like the Mac mouse. And then you can go back to the surface tab. So you can see that it has drawn the outline of the fish. You can select the fish image and you can delete it. If you see it black, you know how to reverse it. Select it, mesh display, reverse. So you can go to the perspective view and then over here you can go and extrude it. So you can do a single extrude, and if you hold shift, sometimes shift doesn't work. So what you can do is you can click on extrude again and you should have two extrusion there. So this is the easiest way to draw an object. So you can see the object is done in this way. So the complication comes in when you try to bend it or move it, and but this is one of the simplest way. And to take an image, copy it, use the polygonal create tool, and then copy it all through. And to go about multicut, basically if you're on the wireframe mode, you can click on multicut, and then you have these snapping kind of points. You can press enter. So I think that the easiest way to do this is once you click on this, you get it all the way, let it snap to this, and then you keep clicking. You have to be right at the point. So you can do this. Like I said, there are many ways of doing it. You can go to multicut again. And you click in the middle first and then drag it all the way. Click, click. Okay, so you press W also, and that should work. Same thing, you go back to multicut. It has to snap in. Might have to go back and click it again. So more or less, you've created something you can work with for bending and all. So Now there's a tool here also which makes add dimension. So make sure that you select your object. So that gives you more polygon. Now you can also add more by clicking it again and then changing it to 2. So once you have that, what you can do is make sure you select your object mode, and then you can go to deform, nonlinear, embed. So you have that line there. So what you can do is you can look at bend. So now it will bend in different direction in that axis. So you don't want to do that. So you select that and go to bend handler, and then what you do is basically you change this to 90. So if you look at it, your axis is this. So if you click on T, so T is basically what controls what you see here. It controls that. So if you don't want the tail to bend, then you can see that it's bending that way. You can also move this wherever you want, and you can see it being bended. So this is one way of doing it. Like I said, there are many ways of doing it, but this I found the simplest way to achieve if you want to bend a fish or make a fish. Hope that helps. Thank you.